You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's time to take a close look at another figure. This time it's going to be in bootleg edition from Vegeta. It is like this diorama you need to put together. Unfortunately, I only have like the Vegeta and no the Goku with this one, so I need to figure out where to get the other one. Don't know it's going to be worth your money simply because some of these bootleg are pretty damn awful. In the future we're also going to do a comparison with the other one so you can see what are the differences, because sometimes you will be surprised how good or bad a bootleg is. Alright, so let's take a close look in the inside. Let's see if this thing has been displayed. I will keep the box. Yeah, this thing has already been displayed. Bubble wrap for the collection and not for recycling, because we're going to reuse that. So what you're going to get in the inside is the base and tiny riser to put the thing in different height. And I must say, like, this thing looks really bad, or bad in a way it's like it is not that detailed. I must say I love the way how this looks like. Is basically has leg popping out of this clothes, but what you can see over here, like they did some flubber flubber in his freaking clothing, and the same goes here at the back. And that's where you can see, like, even doing a comparison, you can see like there are so many like differences between these bootlegs. You can see like a lot of gaps between his head, and overall quality is not that great. But let's see how we need to assemble this one. So you need to put this thing over here. It comes with this tiny base. The weird thing is, like, wasn't this not the point that you couldn't display it with another character? Okay, that's kind of weird. You can see like there's some weird things going on in here. You would almost think there was a base out there. Okay, that slides in very easy. Alright. But that's it. It's like a bobblehead. Boing, boing. But beside all the bobblehead craziness, I must say that I'm quite disappointed. And this is the problem what you're going to have with these bootlegs. You're just going to get like this gambling machine. You put your money in, and sometimes you're going to get yourself a very nice like bootleg or a very nice custom edition that like they bootlegged something and they made a custom about it. But this is not the case with this one. But some parts of the paint job is not super bad. So let's take a close look at the face just to see how it looks. Because when you're looking at his face, I must say, I don't know what to think about his eyes, but overall it's not super bad. I see my superb, like say, paint jobs on his face, but this is not like say a very horrible one. Okay, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this figure, but especially with the mouth, because here they messed it up. But the overall paint job quality doesn't look that bad. And here we zoom in, you can see like the big gapping lines between his face and his basically his Super Saiyan blue hair. The hair paint job is also not very great. There's only one freaking color, and what you can see over here, you can see a lot of mold lines, and there's even like this gigantic gap over here. But here you can see like how bad some of the bootlegs are, and you need to be careful of like where you're going to like spend your money. It's like some factories do have like very high quality bootlegs. They are made sometimes even like better or like completely different than the original one. But that is like the case. Try to find them. This is like already like a little bit older figure, so I don't know if they still sell it. Nevertheless, this is absolutely garbage, and this is something I personally would not be happy with. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. Would you be happy with a figure like this? I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become on the Wicked family, and it would be great to see you in the next video.